Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. So in this video I will tell you if you are facing this problem that your search suggestion ban on the Twitter, how to fix search suggestion ban problem on the Twitter account. I have faced this problem for a long time, so in today's video I will tell you the solution how you can fix this problem. Hope you like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video so this video gets reached to desired audience. So an unofficial restriction imposed on your account where it can be found that Twitter search bar is not recommended, so you need to contact their team. How you can do that I will tell you in this video. So guys, let's start this video. I have faced this problem from a long time. So first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser, and after opening your Chrome browser you need to search down here Twitter support. So after clicking on the Twitter support, you can see the option of contact us in the top of the search engine. So you need to tap on the contact us option. Whenever you click on the contact us option, you can see the option of select a topic. Here you need to select the topic regarding which problem you are facing. There are different types of topic, every type of topic came out there. You need to enter the problem. So appeal a locked or suspension account if your account got suspended. So here is the option of get help login. So you need to check the problem that you are facing and click on there, and there are some steps that will help you to fix this problem, but I will tell you the direct way that works for me, and I hope this will also work for you guys. So what you need to do, so I will go back to the previous page, and here we need to select the problem with the account access. If you are facing the problem with account access, you can click on this option, and here you need to select this I need to regain access to my account. And after that, what you need to do, you need to tap there, and they will ask you about your username, in which ID you have facing the problem. You need to enter the username of that account and also the email address, and after that describe the problem in detail, and you need to mention all the details of your account and the problem you are facing, and you need to send this report and they will help you to fix this problem. Thank you guys.